Look what I just woke up to.
We did it, boys.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you the second episode of building a TikTok theme page from scratch. This is the series where we start the account with 0 followers and we try and build it up to 10k and above followers so we can make it a source of income. If you are completely new to the channel, my name's Ben. I make videos investing in the stock market and overall finance videos. I'd really appreciate it if you left the like button blue and you also left a sub to help out the channel. If you haven't seen the previous video to this, I'll leave the link at the top of the page here, or you can go in the description and then there'll be the link there as well. Go watch that one first so you'll get a better understanding of everything that's going on in this video. So assuming you lot that are still here, you've either watched the previous video or you just can't be bothered. Well anyways, from the back of it, I believe we had around 5,000 followers. And I think that was around 2 weeks ago. So we've done really well to hit this 10k benchmark. Obviously straight away with no hesitation, I signed up to the TikTok Creator Fund. I've got to admit it did take me longer than I thought it would. I know it's money related so it can be quite serious, but I had to put information about my tax, I had to fill out a proof of my age. Well anyways, after about 20 minutes to half an hour or so, I got a message from TikTok to say that I was eligible to sign up for the fund. About 5 minutes later, I then got the message from TikTok to say that they accepted my approval for signing up to the fund. Just out of curiosity, I thought just to get a bit more of an understanding, I looked through the Q&A or the most frequently asked questions on it. I first came across its budget for how much it could actually give out of the fund. TikTok said they had an initial $70 million fund just for its EU members. Basically saying that it had $70 million that it could pay out to any of its TikTok creators just within Europe. And they go on to say this is just what they're starting with and they're hopefully going to grow it over time. It then goes on to say how they should judge my account and how much they should actually go on to pay me. It said that any revenue that you make through the app is based upon the region and what people view your TikToks. So for example in mine it's about 50-50 in terms of United States and the UK, but I've had views coming all over from Germany. I've had some people in just random places, but I've definitely also had views from non-English speaking countries just because of the comments that I've been seeing on my posts. They obviously also pay depending on how many views that your posts get, as well as video engagement. This is in terms of how many people are actually liking or commenting or sharing your posts in terms of how many people are actually viewing it. I don't know if the ratio between that determines whether or not you get paid more, but hopefully I'll be finding out with that in the near future. And also, sticking to community guidelines. So far on my TikTok account, I haven't had any of my posts taken down, somehow, luckily. But on my personal profile, I feel as if almost every other video gets taken down at some point. Even if there's nothing wrong with it, I feel as if there's just someone behind another screen just like,
yeah, we don't want him to blow up, yeah, let's just get rid of that.
Report.
Then it states that there's no minimum or maximum payment that any creator will get. So obviously we know this because views and everything will fluctuate. They then finish to say, just keep doing an amazing job and you'll be rewarded accordingly. Then looking at the payment side to it, it says I've got to wait 30 days to take out any money. I assume they just do this so that they can only pay out once a month for a lot of people, which okay, seems fair enough, so we know that we can only get paid once a month. Well, from reading this, I think so anyway. Let me know in the comments if any of you lot have actually got a TikTok creator page and you're on the fund. So if you've got anything you'd like to add that I'm probably just saying wrong in this video, just let me know in the comments. 15 days to do a bank transfer. I feel as if I might as well just give up. I'm not going to get any money from this at this rate. No, I'm not going to be doing that because
Never give up. Always be grinding.
will the TikTok Creator Fund affect your video performance? They say no, but from what research I've done, a lot of creators have said that this has affected their overall views. But we'll just have to wait and see with that. I say bring it on TikTok. Show me your worst. Anyway, so as for the account, we hit 10k followers in the morning as a couple days ago. I think it was about Wednesday, Tuesday. The account was boosted massively just by 2 posts of recent, both topping the sound that I currently use. The same day I hit 10k, I then went on to hit 11k followers. And now, at the time of this recording, being the 23rd of April, I'm currently sitting at around 12k followers. I'm still working out the best types of TikToks to actually post. I think I'm starting to find out the posts that people are more frequently interacting with, and the views on the account has been pretty good of recent, and I'm still averaging about 1 to 2 million views a week on the account. In terms of the overall update on how much we've actually earned from the account, in my bio I use my sign up link to Coinbase, where if anyone deposits over £70 I think it is, I get a free £7 of Bitcoin. So far only a couple of people have done it, so I've got about £14. I know it's only £14, but we've invested nothing but time into this account and no overall money. So technically £14 profit. By the way, if you do want that link, the link will be in the description to use my Coinbase link, and also my Trading 212 link. If you don't sign up to that and they're still having problems with that, I am going to be starting to use a free trade link. I don't even use free trade, but you can get out to £300, I'm pretty sure, with that link. So again, link in the description for all three of those. Also with the account, I do currently still plug my YouTube account, or this YouTube, so I have been getting a couple more subscribers from that. And for you lot that follow the channel, you'd notice that I'm currently slowly going up in subs, and it is working. I've also started to post more on my personal TikTok page, where you can find me literally just at my name, Ben Bassam, and I got a post that hit over 100k views, where I've gained about 30 subs just within a day just off of that post. So I might have to abuse TikTok a bit more because it is really helping out the channel. Like I did also mention in the previous video, I have still signed up to the Plug app, and I am still yet to use it. I know, I will get around to using it. So yeah, I will be looking into that a bit more because a lot of people are making a decent amount off Plug. Despite that, I have looked into potentially what I could be earning from my current TikTok account just from the Creator Fund. From the research that I've done, the average pay per 1,000 views on TikTok is 2 pence. Which you might be thinking 2 pence is nothing, but when I'm getting 1 million to 2 million views a week, or even look at the top creators on there, think how much Charlie D'Amelio is making, or Addison Rae, thinking that they're getting 2p per 1,000 views, or roughly, well, I think it's about 2 to 4 cents in America. Think how much they're getting for the millions of views they get on the daily. The views on my account should be going up over time, hopefully, by building up my following. But if I was to take my average of 1 to 2 million views a week, I'd be looking at a pay of £20 to £40 a week, or I'd be looking at a range of about £80 to £160 a month. And this is just off the back of it being 2 pence per 1,000 views, which I think is pretty good considering it'll just be an extra little income I can invest more into the stock market. Even from this, we are actually assuming that we will only get 2 pence per 1,000 views. Some creators that I've seen, they've actually been getting all the way up to about 10 pence per 1,000 views. So it all depends on how TikTok looks at your page and determines whether or not, basically almost like your CPM rate on YouTube, I think that's what it's called, because every account is different. My current balance is still 0, just because it takes about 3 days to work out actually how much they should be paying me. So yeah, it'll be interesting to find out. But from these past 2 weeks, I think the account has made really good progress, considering where we were at 2 weeks ago. And if you haven't noticed, I'm still plugging that previous video, so now is your last chance to go watch. I know I've just started this series, but I do kind of like filming these types of videos. So far, creating this TikTok theme page, it has worked out to be quite a success, but hopefully by the time episode 3 is released, we'll have more of an understanding of how much this page can actually make us. So having said that, if you haven't already, subscribe now and hit the bell notification so you can follow the series and you don't miss out on any of the future posts. Anyways guys, I'm going to leave it there because again I need to go to work, but even as nice as it would be, I still have to have some sort of income and work a job, and I can't do YouTube full time. Yet. But you never know, the channel could do well and I could be doing it full time in a couple years. Anyways guys, I do hope you enjoyed and I'll see you lot on the next one. In a bit.